Uh-oh. We'll wait for Kelsey. Because she'll attack you. Oh. She just yelled at Canyon. Come on, Canyon. Bring your Wubba. Go get your Wubba. What'd you do with it? Go get it. This guy's finally eating his breakfast. Go get your Wubba.